Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget. Now today I'm going to do a walkthrough and share with you my home decor for the fall. Now the entryway, I love how I did the front porch. I love that my girl gets new hairdos, and then the new mat giving thanks, because I'm giving thanks for what God has done for me this year. Now, I will include the links up above or down below of all of the videos showing you how each area was set up. Now, I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy my home. Now, I hope you enjoyed the tour of my home with my decor for fall. I enjoyed coming up with each and every room, each and every item. Now, let me know what you think of my home decor for the fall down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're happy, subscribe to the channel. Now, if you want to see more, click on the video here on the screen, and I'll see you in the next episode.